to solve some questions. Okay, we'll solve some questions here. So based on zero order reaction. So zero order reaction, generally we have a less number of questions here. So that's why. So already in your NCERT textbook, they had given some questions. Better to try that one also. Here also we can try some other questions. Right. Here they had given one question here. The rate constant for the reaction of the zero order reaction A is 0.03 mole liter inverse second inverse. Okay. How long will it take the initial concentration of A to fall from 0.1 molar to 0.075 molar? Okay. Now just I'll write the question here. So I'll write the question. So question number 1. What they wrote me? The rate constant for the reaction of for the reaction of zero order reaction in A is 0.003 moles liter inverse. 0.003 mole liter inverse and second inverse. How long will it take? How long will it take for the initial concentration of A to fall from 0.1 molar to 0.075 molar. So this is the question they're asking. So hi Aditi.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma. So now this is the question they're asking. So how we can solve the question here? What they're asking in the question, first of all, what they had given here. What they had given, ma.
We have to find the time, sir. The R naught and R values are given.
Very good, Ritu. Okay, and ma, you're telling that R naught value. What is the R naught value they had given?
0.1.
And what is the R value? Final concentration?
0.075.
0.075. And is other than this anything they had given?
They have given, sir, but I don't know what values. K value, it's the rate constant.
Rate constant. Rate constant is nothing but K only, na? Hence K is 0.003. So these are the values they had given. Okay, so we have to calculate the time T and zero order reaction. What is the formula for the zero order reaction?
K is equal to R naught minus R by T. So K goes that side.
R naught minus R by T. Okay, now we have to calculate the T. So according to that one, how we can simplify the formula? T is equal to R naught minus R by K. Okay, now initial concentration. What is the initial concentration? 0.1 molar. What is the final concentration? 0.075. So K value. How much is the K value? So K values they had given as a 0.003. Okay, so can you simplify and tell me the answer? Any one of you? Can somebody log in and somebody left also? Who's that?
Sir, I got 8.3, but I don't know if it is like accurate.
Exactly correct. 8.3 seconds is the answer. 8.3 seconds is the answer. Okay. So if you subtract this one, 0.1 minus 0.075 means how much you will get the value?
0.025.
0.025. 0.025 divided by 0.003 t is 0.002 t is there. So this also simplify. How we can simplify means here 25 divided by 1000 also we can write. Okay. And so 3 divided by 1000. 3 divided by 1000 means that we can also 1000 divided by 3 also we can write. Okay. So this 1000 is going to be cancelled. 25 by 3. If you take 25 by 3 value means you'll get as a 8.3 something. Okay. So what's the value you'll get as here? You'll get as a 8.3 is the answer. Okay. So any doubt is that? Donna? Shall we go for the next question?
Yes, sir.
Aditi, you got the answer? Aditi, you got the answer or not? Then we'll go for the next question. Go for the next question. Question number 2. I'm going to write as here. Question number 2. So what is the question number 2 means here? First, the first order reaction is 20% complete in 10 minutes. How long it takes to complete 80% by? Okay, so they're asking is question is here. A first order reaction, a first order reaction, first order reaction is 20% completes in complete in 10 minutes. 10 minutes. How long it take? How long it take? How long it take to complete 80%? Takes to complete 80%. So this is the question. How we can simplify this question? How we can complete this question? Kathy, Samhita, Aditi, Sai Akshit, Ritu left. So this is the question, first order reaction. How we can solve this question, ma? First, all of you read the question. What is the data they had given? What is the data they had given, ma? the data they had given? Log 2 is equal to 0.3010. So because of log values are required. Log 3 value. So what is the log 3 value? 0.
There is rate constant given.
Log 4. What is the log 4 value?
Sir, is rate constant needed for this question?
Yes, ma. Rate constant is needed, ma. But they had given, what is the data they had given? That is what I am asking here.
Sir, but the rate constant is not provided in the question, sir.
They didn't provide, then we can't solve the question. We can't solve the question. What they're asking in the question, first you tell me that, Samhita, what you understood this one.
They're asking how long will it take to complete 80%.
Okay.
They
so
gave
time
initial and final concentration.
Okay. Then how we can simplify this one? 0.6989. So log 6. What is the log 6 value? 0.778. 7781. Log 7 value. So because of log values are required, that's why I'm writing everything here. Okay. 8450. 0.8450. Log 8 value. So what is the log 8 value? So 0.9030. 0.9030. So log 9 value. So log 9. So log 9 is equal to 0.9542. 0.9542. So actually all these log values are required to us. So in the calculation part of the first order or zero order here. Okay. So now all of you got the log values now. Okay. Now, so let's see. Samhita, you are telling that they didn't give the k value. First, what we had to find out means we had to find out the k value. If you know the k value means then only we can find out the t. Then only we can find out the t. Sir, how we can find out the k value means here? Because of in the first statement. What is the first statement they had given? In a first order reaction is 20% complete in a 10 minutes. 20% is completed in a 10 minutes. Okay. According to that one, let us see how we can write the formula for the first order reaction. K is equal to 2.303 divided by T log of initial concentration by final concentration. They didn't give the concentrations, initial concentration, final concentration. Based on the statement, we have to understand. Okay. So what is the initial concentration in this question? R naught we are taking as 100. And what is the final concentration?
100 minus 20.
100 minus 20. Okay, 20% is completed. 20% is completed means remaining how much it is the final concentration? R is equal to 100 minus 20. 100 minus 20 means you will get as a 80%. Sorry, 80% is left. It is the final concentration. Now, time already they had given. So 2.303 divided by time is 10 minutes. Time is 10 minutes. Log of R naught value is 100 divided by 80 divided by 80. Now if we simplify this one means, so 2.303 into divided by 10 log of, so here 100 by 80 value, this 0 is going to be cancelled. Okay, log A by B value. How much will get, ma?
5 by 4. If in decimals, I have to still calculate.
Okay, 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 also we can write or directly. So log 10 minus log 8 also we can write. Okay, log 10 minus log 8 also we can write here. So in this one, so 2.303 divided by 10. So what is the log 10 value? Log 10 value is equal to 1. Okay, and what is the log 8 value? So log 8 value is equal to 0.9030. So 0.9030 means if we simplify that one means how much you'll get? 1.0000. 0.9030. Okay, so 0 you'll get Here
0.00707.
0.0070. So this is the value you're getting here. So that means, so 2.303 divided by 10 into, so 0.0070. So this is the rate constant. Okay, so that is the rate constant value. Okay, now you got the rate constant. So by using this one, you have to calculate the time to complete the 80% of the reaction. Okay, so now what is the second step? If we simplify that one, means how much you will get the value, ma? Anyone have, can you calculate the rate constant of this one? Rate constant of this one? Any one of you? Then second step. What is the second step? The time required to complete the 80% of the reaction, because of already you got the K value. Okay. Now second step. Complete the 80.
0.00161 and more value.
0.00.
161 and there are more values also.
Okay, so 161. So you are telling that 0.00161. Okay, so 2.303 into 2.303 into 0.0070 divided by 10. So that means you get 0.00161. Okay, so this also we can write as a 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 also we can write now. This we can write or not, ma?
Yes, sir.
So I took as a decimal point. After 3 decimals, okay. Okay, whatever the point it is, that I'm shifting into the after 3 digits here. After 3 digits means it becomes as a 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. Okay, now you got the K value. So because of to simplification is easy material. So 80%. Now what is the formula? 2.303 divided by K value we got. What is the K value? 1.6 into 10 power minus 3. And log of initial concentration. Initial concentration is 100. Okay, and what is the final concentration? What is the final concentration for the second step?
80?
80, ma. Already they had given as a 80%, ma. They're asking question is, what is the question they're asking? One more time we can take it out.
The time to complete 80%, sir.
80% of the reaction. 80% of the reaction means left is
20,
final
20.
20%, because of initial concentration minus final concentration. Okay, that means 80 by, sorry, so 100 by 80. 100 by 80 means what we can write, ma?
100 by 20.
Sorry, 100 by 20. 100 by 20 you will get. So because of 100 minus 80. 100 minus 80 you will get as a 20. So this is the R value. R naught value is equal to 100%. Total percentage is equal to 100. And R value is equal to 20. Left of the reaction mark. How much left it is the reactant means here 20% it is left. If you simplify means 21s, 25s. Okay. And 2.303 divided by 1.6 into 10 power minus 3 into log 5 value. What is the log 5 value?
Can you scroll up some?
0.6989. 0.6989 is the log 5 value. Then scroll down.
Yes, sir. I just wanted to see the log value.
What is the log value? 0.6989. So 0.6989. So 0.6989. Now if you simplify my here, how much you will get? If 10 power 3 comes to the numerator part means it becomes as a, so 10 power minus 3 becomes to the numerator part means it becomes as a 10 power 3. 10 power 3 means here 2.3. Okay, so all of you can simplify this question. 2.303 into 698.96, 98.9 divided by 1.6 divided by 1.6. Now first, what is the k value got? 0.006. K value is correct, ma? The answer is they had given 72.2 minutes, ma. Answer is they had given as a 72.2 minutes. Where you had done the mistakes, once you check it out.
Sir, uh, when we subtracted 1 minus 0.9030, the answer will be 0.970. 0.0970, not 0.0070. I only said wrong.
So here that is only 9030. Subtraction we had done the mistake. 1 minus 0.9030. 0, we are getting as a 0.097, ma. 0.097.
97, sir, yeah. 0.0007.
Okay, 970. If you multiply with this one means actually k value we had done the mistake. We got as k value is mistake. We got the k value. So what is the k value here? So if you simplify that one means 2.303 into 0.0970 divided by 10. Divided by 10 means you are getting as 0.022, ma. 0.022 you are getting.
So it will be 2.2 into 10 to the power minus 3.
Okay, so this also we can write as a 0.0223 it is there. That we can write as a 2.2, ma. 10 digits only, na. 2.23 into 10 power minus 2 only. After 2 digits only we are taking the decimal point. That's why we can write as a 2.23 into 10 power minus 2.
It won't be minus 3, sir.
It won't be minus 3. So if it is minus 3 means you are taking the decimal point after 3 digits.
Yeah, okay, sir. I'm a bit weak in that.
Okay.
Sir,